Alright, welcome back guys. Today we're going to install a Nexxgarage door opener sensor. This is similar to the Sonoff module we installed a couple of months ago, and it looks something like this. And we're going to be connecting this to the garage motor, and that'll make this garage door smart. Alright, so the first step we got to do is we got to work on this module, and it's got a black and red wire. You hook it into the port 1 and port 2. Alright, so I guess we can just keep recording then. Alright, so the Nexxgarage unit came with this connector with a sensor right here, a magnet sensor, and all we have to do is stab this in, and it goes in one way, so and I can't screw that up. Alright, this again is the sensor, and we're on the far end of the sensor because we're gonna need to figure out how much line we're gonna need. So, alright, this is the last step of the Nexxgarage installation. You see we connected the black to the black and the red to the red on the signal port. Just coming through, and this is the sensor. It runs all the way over there towards the end of the garage, and the magnet is mounted at the head of the center head of the garage panels. So once it closes, it'll come in contact with the sensor, which will let you know if the garage door is open or closed. Okay, again, the sensor line is on top of the track, comes down here, and it meets up with the magnet at the top of the garage door, which lets us know whether it's closed or not.